You can set an ACS as you've done, but as you know, you can also rotate a view, and this can get very confusing in relation to the orientation of the AccuDraw window. So I'm going to demonstrate a few points which may or may not help. Now, to start from scratch, I'm going to first close this drawing and reopen it. So now I'm working in a freshly opened drawing. Now at this point, if I start the line tool and data point, the compass will be aligned with the view. Now you can see an ACS on the screen right now, but it's not technically activated. Now that's the ACS. I'm going to officially activate it by double-clicking it. The ACS looks the same, but the compass has now rotated to align with the ACS. This is pretty much what you would expect to happen. Now at this point, I can either press V or T shortcuts to rotate the compass. T will rotate the compass square with the drawing, and V will do exactly the same thing, because the view is not rotated at the moment. So T or V will achieve the same result. To align the compass with the ACS again, simply double-click the ACS to officially activate it. What happens now if I rotate the view? Let's try that first. 2 points. Let's rotate there. The view is now rotated. Now keep in mind, please, that the drawing is not rotated, the view is rotated. Start the line tool again. Notice that the compass is still aligned to the ACS, even though the view is rotated. Now at this point I can press V again to rotate the compass to the screen alignment. Or if I press T, the compass will align with the drawing alignment. So there we have two alignments, view and drawing, which are not the same alignments as the ACS. And this really is where it can seem quite complicated. So let's put this in more practical terms. Let me unrotate and think about dimensioning. This turns out to be quite simple because dimensions essentially ignore the ACS rotation. Let me show you what I mean. Let's place a dimension. Let's dimension this edge. And you'll see that the alignment at the moment in the tool settings window is drawing. Could also be view. Same results since we have an unrotated drawing. Or true, which is usually the best option for sloping lines such as this. You could also, of course, rotate the view. 2 points again. Let's rotate the same and place the next dimension. Drop it down here instead. Same difference, but now using a rotated view, which is a bit inconvenient actually. Let's unrotate, because to dimension this edge now, I would have to rotate to that alignment, whereas if I simply use the true alignment, then it will be aligned with the edge, rotated or not. And even using the linear dimension tool with the true alignment is also the best option. Now, I hope that the information has helped a little bit, but you do need to practice this. You need to try all the possible combinations with a full ACS alignment on, with it off, with a rotated view, and using the T and V shortcuts.